Hello viewers, this is John from Cloud Tech Insights. Today's topic, we'll be deep diving into the realm of data analytics using AWS QuickSight Q. The Q stands for question. This was part of the Amazon reInvent announcement, and we will explore the Q topics. We'll do an interactive data exploration. We'll get our hands on some of the sample data sets, play around asking Q to interpret data for us. Not just that, we'll also take a custom data set from Kaggle and put it in Q to the test. Stay tuned. Let's get started. This is the QuickSight console. For users who haven't opted for QuickSight, you will have to opt and go through a couple of the subscription options. There are free tier options available. Once you are in the QuickSight, you will have to go to the topics section here, and then it will ask again for subscription. If you are interested, you can join the subscription per user option. There are a couple of models that you can choose between. Once you choose that, you get to the screen right here. So in this screen, you can see two options here. One is the new sample topic and new topic. So for each data and interactive exploration, they want you to create a topic in this console. So let's start with a sample topic first, and then we can move on to a custom topics here. So clicking onto the sample topic, you can pick, there are a couple of samples available here. I would say a product sales would be easy to understand. You have different options like cost and usage, AWS cost and usage, marketing campaigns, clinical trials. So this is mainly meant for the business users where they want to, hey, just throw the data in, want to ask a few questions, get the answer, and then make their business decisions accordingly. Let's go ahead and create. It takes a few seconds. What it's doing behind the scene is it's pulling the information, trying to relate each column, trying to understand what each column means. In that way, when we ask a question, it is much easier to get a response back. So now the software sales topic is created right here, and we can click on them, and it takes it to a different window where it talks about the topic, the summary, data, how the data looks like. In this window, you can include and exclude certain columns, and you can also rename them. And it also gives you like the different synonyms that you can use instead of the customer, more like a business-friendly synonyms. And it also provides the details on what the column is, dimension, measure, etc. here. So this is a place where you can tweak and include and exclude the data sets that you like. And this talks about the user activity, what are the different questions asked, and what are the feedback from the user, etc. here. And what are the questions asked, and what are the whether it was reviewed or not by the user. All these information is in this console. So the main area where you'll be playing with is the top here, where you can switch the topics from here. The drop down, you can pick and choose the topic, and then you can start asking the questions around. So I'm going to ask a few questions around the sales. So first question, sample question that they provided is who had the most sales in the last quarter. So this they build a dashboard or they build a report showing what are the different sales, and then you can change the visual. If you like more of a donut chart, you can always switch the visual to something, but it picks up the right visual to start with. So now you can see different customers who are interested, who had the quarterly sales, and you can also change the visual to more like a heat map style, so you can quickly visually identify, hey, Liberty Finance has the most sales so far. And then let's explore some other, which city did we get the most discount in the enterprise in Mexico? So it's very specific question around the Mexico area. So within Mexico, it picks up the different cities where there are like significant discounts. Again, like I said, you can always change the visuals. You can also put some suggestions here, and then you can also gather some insights. This is more of a bottom 3 cities. This is one of the features within QuickSight where you can have ready-made insights like bottom 3, top 3 cities based on your question. So this helps the business user explore the data much better, much faster. And you also have the option to onboard the data set into a Spice engine, which is the in-memory analytics for complex and quicker results. So we can try one more question and then we can move on to the custom data set. So this is a question where show me the items with most revenue last week. Oh, bummer, what's going on? Not sure. Let's pick another question. Show me the comparison of actual sales to profit by industry and month for the last quarter. So this is like you're specifying the column names in there and asking them to compare against each column. So this is the insight that you get. This is a tabular form. Like I said, you can always choose your own visuals and provide feedback based on the response. Moving on, let's test out some of the custom data set, which I am downloading from Kaggle. So in Kaggle website, I'm picking up this data set, which is called Global Superstore, and we'll explore this data set in QuickSight topics. So what we do is we go back to the topic section, and then we create a new topic here. We can name the topic Superstore Analysis. You can provide a description here, hit continue, and pick the data set right here. So this takes a few seconds just for everybody's topic created. So let's quickly explore that topic here. So this is the Superstore Insights topic. And yeah, so this is, you can see different fields, like I said, category, city, country, discount, etc., shipping cost, subcategory, etc. here. And then you have an option to add the calculated field, add filters, etc. here. And then I would say you can start asking the question. So let's say total profit by city. So it shows the graph showing based on the city, not just country, just based on the city. We can look at a glance, we can see New York City has the majority of profit coming in from New York. And then you can try other questions like top customer name on sales. So this provides the name of the customers based on the sales. It does an aggregation, and then it aggregates at the customer name level. And Tom Ashbrook is one of the top customers. So this is how the QuickSight works, and you can play with it and see if there are some questions that is unanswered. You can always provide a feedback here, and that's right here. You can provide improved suggestions, and this will be a good a tool for some of the non-technical as well as technical users to explore data more interactively. You can also provide display this dashboard or provide this dashboard to your customers. They can also ask some of the questions related to the data sets with no technical knowledge. It's English as a code here. With that, I'm concluding the demo. For any new updates or insights that I get, I will make new videos around Amazon Q. This will be not just focused on QuickSight. I'll be just doing the standalone application, the Q within the console, as well as the QuickSight Q. So stay tuned for the latest updates. Please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Thank you. Bye from John.